I used to think investing was only for experts, people in suits, staring at charts all day. It felt like some exclusive club where only the rich or super smart were invited. But then I stumbled across one simple concept that completely changed how I looked at money: compound interest. And let me tell you, that one idea, it was a game changer. I realized that growing wealth wasn't just possible for people with six-figure incomes. It was possible for me, and it's possible for you too. So in today's video, I'm sharing my journey from beginner to investor and showing you exactly how you can harness the incredible power of compound interest to build real, lasting wealth. Just real talk about how money actually grows. To make it simple and easy to follow, I've divided this video into 5 clear sections, each focused on a key concept of compound interest, so you can understand every step and see how it all fits together. Let's get started. Number 1, what is compound interest? All right, first things first, let's define compound interest in plain English. Compound interest is when the money you earn starts earning money of its own. Imagine you put $100 in an account that earns 10% interest per year. After 1 year, you have $110. Great, right? But here's where it gets interesting. In year 2, you don't just earn interest on the original $100. You earn interest on the $110. That's $11, bringing you to $121. In year 3, you earn 10% on $121, which is $12.10. That makes it $133.10 total. So what's happening? Your money is growing faster every year because your interest is being added to the total, and that bigger total earns even more interest. That's compounding in action. It's like planting a seed, and the fruit from that tree drops more seeds that grow into new trees, and those trees grow more fruit, and so on. That's how your wealth builds exponentially over time. The earlier you start, and the more consistent you are, the bigger that forest becomes. Number 2, the magic of time. Now let's talk about time, because it's the most important ingredient in the compound interest recipe. Here's a story that illustrates the point. Let's say 2 friends, Sarah and Mike, both want to invest. Sarah starts investing at age 20. She puts in $200 a month and does that for just 10 years. At age 30, she stops completely and lets the money grow. Mike, on the other hand, starts investing at 30. He also puts in $200 a month, but he keeps going until age 60. Now here's the kicker. Sarah ends up with more money than Mike. Why? Because she gave her money more time to grow. That's the magic of compounding. It rewards patience more than effort. The longer your money stays in the game, the harder it works for you. Even if you invest small amounts, starting early makes a massive difference. That's why time is more valuable than the amount you invest. So if you're watching this and thinking, I'll start next year, just know, waiting costs more than you think. If you're finding value in this video so far, take a second to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. It really helps support the channel, and it lets me know you're enjoying content like this. Plus, you'll never miss out on future videos designed to help you build real wealth through smart financial education. Number 3, the power of small amounts. One of the biggest myths in investing is that you need a lot of money to get started. That couldn't be further from the truth. The reality? Small, consistent investments add up to big results. Let me give you a real-world example. Let's say you invest just $10 a week. That's 2 fancy coffees. If your investment grows at an average of 10% a year, here's what happens. In 10 years, over $8,300. In 20 years, over $28,000. In 40 years, over $120,000. All from $10 a week. This is why it's not about how much you start with. It's about starting now and staying consistent. The earlier you start with even tiny amounts, the more time compound interest has to work its magic. And believe me, it is magic. So don't wait until you have more money. Start with what you have and grow from there. Number 4, the importance of consistency. Compound interest only works if you feed it regularly. You can't just invest once and forget about it. It's like going to the gym. One workout doesn't get you in shape, but a workout every week, that transforms your body. Same with investing. If you invest consistently every month or every week, you create a rhythm. That rhythm builds momentum, and momentum creates results. Now here's what most people get wrong. They start strong, then stop when things get tough. The market drops, or they feel unsure, and they pull their money out or stop contributing. But the truth is, those who stay the course win. The best way to stay consistent? Automate it. Set up auto investments, even if it's just $20 a week. Make it so you don't have to think about it. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Number 5, compound interest in action. So where do you actually put your money to make compound interest work for you? These days, you don't need a stockbroker or a financial degree. There are tons of tools and platforms that make investing simple and accessible. You can use apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard, M1 Finance, Acorns, Betterment, great for automated investing. Start with something like an index fund. These funds track the overall market, so your investment grows as the market grows. Quick disclaimer, I do not endorse or recommend any specific financial apps or platforms. Any mention is for illustrative purposes only. You can also reinvest your dividends. That means when your investments earn money, that money is used to buy more shares, and those shares earn money too. That's compound interest in full gear. Even retirement accounts like Roth IRAs or 401k use compound interest to build your future wealth. And in some cases, the growth is even tax-free. The key is to just start. Start with a platform you understand, keep learning, and be consistent. Those are the 5 most important principles you need to know to unlock the power of compound interest. But remember, this is just the beginning of your investing journey. Compound interest isn't just a financial formula. It's a mindset shift. It rewards patience. It multiplies your discipline. And it transforms small, consistent actions into serious long-term wealth. So here's your next step. Start today, even if it's just $5 or $10 a week. What matters most is that you start and stay consistent. Give your money the time and rhythm it needs to grow. Want to dive deeper into building real wealth, especially in the stock market? I break it all down in my full video, 10 stock market investing rules beginner must know, Build Wealth 2025, including how to think like an investor, avoid rookie mistakes, and actually grow your money with confidence. The link is right below in the description. Make sure you watch it next. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. I post practical, beginner-friendly financial tips every single week. Thanks so much for watching. Now let's grow smarter, not just richer.